YouTube, we're gonna do this song Bill Murray by the group Phatogram. That was a request from a viewer, so we're gonna cover it. It's kind of got a cool little riff based on this triad shape. Alright, this is like an F-shaped triad. That just means you're only playing 3 notes in the chord. Right? When you first learn the F up here, well, this stair-step shape is right in there. So it would be B string at the 5th, G string at the 6th, and the D string at the 7th. But they're doing a variation on this. The 5th string is an E, right? So that we have an open E on our string 1. So they're playing just 2 notes from the shape, and then they're playing open B and open high E. Whenever you play open strings with fretted strings, you have to pay attention to your volume and how hard you're picking the strings. So I want to hit the open strings less hard, be more gentle with them. Try to keep the sound equal on all of them. Now if you're having trouble doing that, if you get some kind of compression, that's what compression does. Keeps all the loudness equal. You can do it with your fingers. So we just played this part of that triad up here, just G string on the 6th and D string on the 7th. Then our next chord, this is a chord, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned it. Our next chord is E. And we do that at the 12th using the same, this time we're going to use the full triad shape. So we have B string at the 12th, G string at the 13, and D string at the 14. Alright, that's E. And we know that because our root note is E above it. And then we slide that down 1 whole step, which is 2 frets down. At fret 10, we have a D, and we play that. Now the E and the D, you're going to have to play D, G, B, and then back to the G, because the rhythm is 4 beats. Playing this one, you have 4 notes because you're playing that open B. See, I hit that one too loud. That's the whole song. So this would be a good one to do with the looper pedal. Lay down, and you could sing and play over it. Or some of the phones, you can get sequencer software, and you can sequence those 3 chords. And then there's a little solo towards the end. They're playing A major. We could play at the 5th fret with this box shape. I'm going to put it up there. That's some people call it the home bass shape. I think most of it's played in there, most of the soloing. And it's got a real cool vibe. Alright, I like that group Phatogram. Thanks for watching. Bye.